Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. My name is Leo and today you're cooking with me. Oh boy, do I have a treat for you today. We're making an orange cake covered in delicious chocolate. This is a really beautiful cake that is worth going the extra mile for. It's so soft, juicy and rich in flavor. The orange and the chocolate go perfectly together. If you can eat only one slice, man, you're my hero. Let's get to the recipe and make this gorgeous cake together. To make this orange cake, you'll be needing 4 eggs, of which 3 egg whites and 4 yolks, 200 grams of soft butter, 325 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 200 grams of flour, 10 grams of baking powder, salt, 250 milliliters of fresh orange juice, 250 milliliters of heavy cream, and 250 grams of cooking chocolate. Okay, now that we have the ingredients, let's start making the batter. But first, preheat your oven to 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. The oven is on, so let's get back to the batter. Start by separating the egg whites from the yolks. But make sure to separate only 3 egg whites and 4 yolks. Why? Because that's what you'll be using, so leave 1 egg white out. Put the egg whites in a bowl and start mixing them until they firm up. You'll know they're done when you flip the bowl over and they stick to the bowl and don't fall out. After you whisk the egg whites, put them in the fridge while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Prepare another bowl and put the soft butter, 200 grams of sugar, 4 yolks and 100 milliliters of orange juice in it. Now use the mixer again and mix everything for 4 to 5 minutes to make it fluffy. Okay, that's done. Now prepare a third bowl and put 200 grams of flour, 10 grams of baking powder and a pinch of salt in it. Combine everything well together using a spoon. Now bit by bit start adding it to the batter and mix until it's well incorporated. Now repeat until you're all out of flour mixture and everything is well mixed together. Take your egg whites out of the fridge and again, using the same strategy as before, add a little by little until all the egg whites are finally dispersed in the batter. And that's it! Take your baking tray and grease it up with some butter. Then pour the batter in and make sure it's nice and flat. Shake the tray a little bit to make sure it's level on all sides. Now put the tray in the oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the cake is nice and golden brown. If you're not sure if your cake is done, use a toothpick and stick it in the cake when you think it might be done baking. If the toothpick comes out clean, your cake is done. Whoo! The cake is done baking. Look at that beautiful color. But it's only going to get more beautiful from here on. Grab a little bowl and mix together 125 grams of sugar along with 1 teaspoon of orange zest and 150 milliliters of orange juice. Use a fork and poke little holes all over the cake so it absorbs the juice a lot better. Pour the juice all over the hot cake and let it cool down. After the cake has cooled down, take it out of the tray. It should look like this. Okay, now let's make a nice chocolate glaze. Take 250 milliliters of heavy cream and heat it on low temperature. After bubbles start to form, take it off the heat and add 250 grams of cooking chocolate to it. Now let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes with an occasional stir. It will melt completely and give you a nice thick chocolate coating. See how it's nice and thick? Now pour it all over the cake. Start from the edges and work your way to the middle. And if necessary, use a spatula to even the glaze out. Now let it rest for a little bit just so the chocolate can set. Decorate the edges with a little bit of orange zest and put a couple of fresh orange slices on top of the cake and voila! Your dessert is ready to be served and devoured. Here's the whole cake. It looks so delicious, rich, and beautiful. Wow. Now let me slice it up for you. Will one slice be enough? Of course not. Here's the first one. Enjoy and let me know if you like it. Oh, what? You don't like it? You love it! Haha, I knew it. It's so tasty, such a delicious dessert. And here's the other slice. Give me this slice, it's so damn good. I hope you enjoyed the video, ladies and gentlemen, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. I really appreciate it. See you in the next episode. Bye!